Gates open, that up and racing. Shadow Straps draws for your lead. Moving up is Cash Peter, then comes Fuego. Moving up on the outside, No Money, No Honey. And now catching the lead, Bagong Silang is down in P, followed by Bahala Na. Followed by entry number 2, and that's Fire Prince. About to pass the last 800, No Money, No Honey by about a length. Moving up by the rail, Shadow Straps, Bagong Silang moving up to take third. Then comes Cash Peter, followed by Fuego, Bahala Na. Sneaking in down on the inside is Fire Prince, moving up on the outside is Speed Up here. And number 1, Golden Song is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 450. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Shadow Straps running by the rail by a neck, fighting back on the outside. No Money, No Honey as they turn for home. Shadow Straps, No Money, No Honey is on the outside. Bagong Silang is down in third. With the last 150 more to run, Shadow Straps this time by about 2 lengths over No Money, No Honey in second. With the last 50 meters more to run, the horse of Mayor Ben Harabalos, Shadow Straps second, No Money, No Honey. Fire Prince took third, then comes Cash Peter, and the Speed of Firm for your Pentapecta.